Oh no, let's do it again.
I was distracted by the floof. You know the elbow thing, don't you?
What's the elbow thing?
You do know that.
Oh yeah.
If you look at the elbow, it's the perfect high five.
That's what I did.
You were looking at your camera. I don't want to go too hard on you though, I might break your arm.
Because you're really strong.
No, because you've got fucked arms, isn't there? Is there not like a good coffee shop out there?
Yeah, there is. Let's go and get coffee. Good morning, welcome to today's video. Hey, it's Jimmy. We're going for coffee because it's very early.
We've got lots of stuff to do today.
We have, what are we going to do?
We are going to ride some bikes. It'll actually be my first time on a bike in 3 weeks because I've had a shitty chest infection.
Nice.
Then we're going to go east and make some noise.
Yeah!
Watch out,
Second rehearsal ever.
Careful. Guest bassist.
Never seen Nick so happy.
He's actually really happy lately, I like it. He's much nicer happy.
Yeah.
When he's miserable, he's just like miserable, you know? Just kind of
I think it's the opposite.
mopes.
I feel nicer when I'm miserable.
Big, small. Small, big. You're right.
What about my eye?
Your eye?
You said your eye. That one.
So that's a 9 Streets edition.
What's my choice? Jimmy's got the best coloured one.
This is a Ken chainring, that isn't it? What is it, like 52 or something? No, 60.
60.
Green.
White, orange or black?
You can't have white.
Why?
It's electric and it's cheating.
Oh.
Good for filming though. I've always wanted an e-bike for filming.
I hear you're the man who can show us how to unfold these quickly and properly.
Yes. Do you want them quickly or explanatorily?
Quickly.
Okay. Oh! Puts it through here and then that stops that from unfolding underneath it.
So if we do that instead of leaving your bike like that outside a cafe, because then people can't just...
People can't run off with it, yeah.
Unless they're
Or take it in with the cafe, because that's why it folds.
Or that.
My favourite trick, you can do this in 2 parts. You can either do that and then lift it up, or you can do that.
Tell me you got that in 120 frames and you could slow it down for me?
We meet again, so now we say a little more. I say come chill, I know you heard
Tell
no
me,
key.
isn't it as bad as it? It doesn't look as bad as it feels.
Does it feel awful? We're going to Swains Lane. Is that where we're going?
I forgot how steep this thing was. This is way steeper than I remember.
It's not that bad on an e-bike either.
You want to swap?
Not really.
Do you reckon they'd notice if I just did it on an e-bike?
Probably not. I mean, they might notice if we put it on the internet.
Perhaps.
Yeah.
It'll be afterwards then. I already have my trophy.
Got a bit of a sweat on.
It's like, it was Baltic this morning. I got t-shirt, hoodie, denim jacket. It must be like 50 degrees or something. It must be like going to, what's that desert you went through?
Death Valley,
That one, yeah.
Nevada,
Yeah.
Mojave.
And similarly, I haven't got any water.
Nice. So what are we doing on Bromptons, you may ask? This is Swains Lane. On the weekend, it's the Urban Hill Climb, which is an annual event, riding up this horrible, horrible fucking hill. Jimmy's decided to do it on a Brompton and had never ridden a Brompton before, so we nicked some from Fusion Media. Got the E1. Shall I do it on an e-bike? The actual event.
I think you're only allowed if it's a cargo e-bike.
What? Well, people are actually allowed to do it?
Yeah, on a cargo e-bike, I think with a 70 kilogram load. I forgot how steep it actually is.
It's really steep.
I was like, it's going to be easy.
That's like 20%.
I got up it though. It's just going to be slow. On that little badger.
Are you racing against anyone else who's riding a Brompton?
Brompton category.
Is there?
Yeah.
You got to win it then.
Whoa.
Why not?
You're not doing it.
Why would I do it?
You're a bike racer, aren't you?
My racing days are over, man.
Well, people do them on fixed gears, don't they?
Yeah, true. Unfortunately, my 8-bar is back in Berlin, so I can't actually do the fixed kit category either. What a shame.
It's just satellite, isn't it?
What? Thanks, mate. Do you want to go and do another rep, Jimmy, as a recce?
Nope.
Why not?
It's too hard. I've drastically underestimated it. I looked at the profile, and I was like, flat, little kick, done. I've ridden this plenty of times as well, so I can get punchy, snappy gear changes. at the phone, he's like... What's the point if you don't have
I feel
to?
like a proper commuter on Bromptons in London here.
Promise, yeah.
What a stress.
People,
Bus in the
vehicles
way.
everywhere.
Can't see the red light.
We're like in no man's land, as is every other vehicle around us.
Thanks to the bikes, we looked after them really well.
That's all right.
Only one crash.
Wait till you see this video, how much he destroyed. You know what he's like with bikes, just throws them over, doesn't he?
Yeah, that's why I got 6 of them.
Because of Francis.
Yeah.
You seem to be miserable. What happened whilst we were gone? You're miserable now.
I'm just eating some soup and it's not very nice. Tilt it back, we should go this bit first.
Don't film him trying to do that.
I'm a master.
So you may remember we started a band a couple of weeks ago. We put out a message asking if any of you played bass. Surprisingly enough,
Brompton?
we actually had some replies. We found a bassist. Yeah, and we're going to meet her later
We are.
and play some guitar and drums
I've got a
in
feeling,
a band.
I've got a feeling that she's going to be significantly better than both of us, and quite quickly going to be a bit annoyed with how stupid we are.
I'm annoyed by how stupid we are.
I'm annoyed by how stupid you are.
You are mean.
I'm a meme.
You are mean.
I'm not a meme. I could be a meme.
Here you are.
Do you mean the meme?
The Eggman.
Ah, for fuck's sake. I spent £35 on a pair of pagan fucking earplugs and I forgot to
No,
put
you
them.
left them at home.
Yeah.
You idiot. We found a bassist. There. Stacey.
Bass solo!
Go! She's much better than us at music and everything, probably cycling as well. There's a
Jesus. Is that one of the apps?
still making a noise.
Fucking TA, Fuck.
How long has it been making that noise for though?
No, Jesus.
That was actually
All this time we thought that noise and it was that.
Oi Jimmy, why are we getting an Uber?
Why?
Yeah.
Because it's horrible carrying my bags all the way home.
That's not true.
What do you mean? It is horrible.
The real reason is that it's because the scariest place in London in the world.
It is a little bit intimidating, isn't
Yeah.
it?
It was a child in a dressing gown throwing a brick at us.
That did happen. That actually did happen. What do you think of this area, Drive? You think it's a bit dodgy around here?
Yeah.
No matter what you see, just don't stop. Even if someone's like running, asking for help, you just gotta leave them behind.
Especially in that case.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe I'm going.
Whoa!